As a startup, we selected OpenBOM before we even opened our doors. We design, engineer, and manufacture EV kits for the shuttle bus market, E350s and 450s. One of the things that we like about OpenBOM, the problem that it was helping to solve for us, is the learning curve for engineers who have not had exposure to an ERP system and not wanting to go into an SAP or an Oracle or ERP system X, something that was simple and easy for them to use. When our staff here sees how easy it is to create those downstream elements from OpenBOM, they have a better understanding of what it takes to go from development to prototype to production. They have a much better comprehensive view of that. Just for example, today, one of our young engineers wanted a work order for some diagnostic harnesses that he was going to build. I stood back behind him and just watched him as he went through that process, and he did it on his own in a matter of a few minutes. I've worked in too many other systems where you can't do that. But from the first couple of videos that I watched, I said, oh, it simply can't be this easy. And one of the few times I can remember being wrong, it actually is that easy.